Guys, so today I'm going to be doing a toy review and showing you my ice cream truck. So the first thing I'm going to show you, it comes, you can't really see it, but let me move the camera right here. Now you can see the ice cream truck. Let me move the camera even further. Now, you can see the back pocket. So this ice cream truck, oh, that's just my toys. So I'm gonna show you that is really cool about this is that it has a secret compartment. So watch this. So this compartment is, let me just get the camera set up here on this. Now, let's try to put the camera so you can see it that way. So this little compartment here has a little sign that if you turn it on, you can see that it has a little open compartment there. So that's really cool. Is what you do is you just lift this thing and then you can open it and it's a little compartment. So that's what's really cool. And then what's also really cool about this little ice cream truck is it doesn't come with this doll, but it comes with money. It comes with little like ice cream flavors. So you guys can see that we have snow cones, and we just have some food stuff in here. And then we also have, what's really cool about it, is that there is a little compartment. So there's some little compartments. Maybe if I move this back, yeah, now you can see it better. So now we have some ice cream. So this is just a little ice cream truck, and what's really cool is that it can have secret compartments where you could put food inside. And then if you really look inside, you can see that there's some food stuff in there. And then I think you should really buy this ice cream truck because it's really cool about it is there's like food stuff in here, food, and this is actually from Target, so you can go buy this Target. So here, if you want to get the windows to move, I don't know if that button's really working anymore. Nope. Okay, so this is just a little awesome ice cream truck. If you want to see the inside of it, you can kind of look in there. And then let's open this compartment. So you can open this compartment, and then if you turn it around, you can see this back compartment. It has a sign, and you can see some ice cream trucks. So there's a lot of little, and you can actually put chairs in here. You can put chairs down where the meeting spot is, and then there's like some popsicles and stuff in here, and you guys can see when I open this compartment, there's like a little meeting spot compartment, and then there's like a food compartment with all your ice stuff, and then here's a little that you can pretend that you can make fries. There's some popsicles. There's a little wheel Look, if you press the music button, it can make music. And then when you press this button, it makes the windows move. I think you should definitely buy this ice cream truck. And then if you press this button, it can make little music. So this is what I'm going to show you. If you spin the wheel, stop the music, and then, no, stop the music, then the windows move if you click this button. And then if you, so there's little buttons there. So you can see in the ice cream truck. You can stop the, and then if you press this button, nope, it doesn't work. It just makes, oh, it can make like the light on. But if you press this button, the windows move, which is actually super cool. And there's just some food and stuff in here. So here's just some stuff, and I think you should definitely buy this ice cream truck. I'm just showing you. Popsicles and stuff. Here's a good place to make fries and stuff. So you can't even see the ice cream truck. And there's a little sign. And then what's really cool is you can, I'll show you how to close this little compartment. It's a little seat, and then you can put it down. And then you have, and then if you turn it on the other side, you can see the ice cream truck. But if you actually open this compartment, you can see the inside of the ice cream truck. So it's really fun to open this compartment. You can stick your head in. And we have a lot of ice cream flavors right now. So if you turn it, and what's really cool is you can actually, so here's just some stuff that are in this ice cream truck. And this is what the really cool thing is, all the buttons that it has. All the buttons that it has. So you can close this little compartment, and then you just see the ice cream truck. So you can close this little compartment, and you can see the inside of it right there. So if you have this ice cream truck, and what's really cool about it is all the buttons it has. So you can kind of see the inside of it. That's the front of it. Here's the little, and then if you press this button, it can make the window shapers move. And what's really cool about it is all the buttons it has. It can do your windows. It can sing music, and it also has, what I really want to show you, is the back compartment. So what you want to do is you want to do this, and you want to turn it back, and you can kind of see. If you don't, then that's okay. But if you go in where the buttons are, let's go in where the buttons are. Let's turn it over so you can see all the buttons. And when I open this, you can probably see it better. Let's open this compartment. really see right now, but if you look in, you can see that there's this yellow compartment here. And if you open it, you can put some stuff in there. So there's a little yellow compartment. So there's a bunch of little compartment stuff. Yeah, so that is really cool. And really cool is all the buttons it has. So it has this little yellow compartment that you can put in stuff. And what's really cool about it is the secret compartment. So when you open it, it's like a little seating area. But my favorite about it is all the buttons it has on the train, on the little train thing. But what's really cool about it is all the food and what's in it. So you really should go buy this ice cream truck. And the buttons are really cool. Let me make. So it's just really cool. And if you go inside, you can look that there's this little yellow compartment. I know you can't really see, but that is what the ice cream truck. Right now, you can kind of look and see that there's a little yellow compartment. So I'm showing you the inside of it. And here is the little buttons, and you can see the little yellow compartment that I was talking about.